Hello, it's Andrew from Burncoose Nurseries now. I'm in an outside shelter on the southwest edge of the nursery, and today we've got a southwesterly wind blowing, and as you can see behind me it's a little bit damp. The wind coming from the southwest always brings a bit of misty, mild and damp weather. I'm in amongst the camellias. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the smallest size of camellia we do, and I'm going to show you the biggest size of camellia we do through our mail order system. Burncoose very famous for camellias, as you know, with over 300 different varieties either available for sale or in production. And in my hand I'm holding the smallest one available, and this is a 9 centimetre camellia. So if you ever see a camellia advertised as a 9 centimetre on the website, then this is the typical size it will be. Now you've got to understand that a camellia is a shrub, and there's a shrub that can grow up to 15 feet in some places. So it needs a lot of space to grow, and it's a slow grower as well. It's not going to get there rapidly. So you have to consider that if you're buying a 9 centimetre camellia, and there's quite a few advertised on the internet these days, that it's going to be a little small plant like this, maybe smaller, and it's going to take a number of years to get to a greater size. Now conversely, we've also got this one here. And this one here is a 4-year-old camellia. This is Paradise Vanessa. And it's also a little bit restricted because it's been grown in a pot. So if it was grown in the soil, it would be a little bit bigger. And the comparisons in size are quite stark. So if you have a garden and you want to plant a camellia, and your garden's not that big and you've only got room for one camellia, you could plant a small one and you could wait 4 years for it to get that size. It's also a little bit vulnerable because it's slow growing, and you may forget where you've planted it, and it'll need a little bit of TLC to make sure it establishes over a long period of time. Or you could go and you could buy this one, a 4-year camellia, which will give you an instant impact. It's established, you can see it. Your gardener or your husband perhaps won't run over it in the lawnmower, and it'll also give you flowers the first year and many years after. The smaller one, the 9 centimetre one, you may get one flower this year, but it'll take at least 2 or 3 years before this becomes established and will give you the show that you want from a camellia in your garden. So just an example around here now are some of the bigger 4-year, maybe some are 5-year-old camellias that you can see as established plants growing in our outside shelter here at Burncoose Nurseries.